Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a crucial element of any successful YouTube video, the call to action. Imagine creating an amazing video, but viewer just watch and leave no subscription, no comment and no clicks and no like. That's where a compelling CTA comes in. It's your chance to tell viewers what to do next and take action. In this video, we'll become CTA conquerors, crafting irresistible calls to action that convert viewers into engaged fans. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So now viewers have lot more options in their hands. They can easily see one video and then skip one video. They have lot of options. If they don't like your video, they can skip your video easily. And you need to understand they are not obey you. So you need to request your viewers to like your videos, comment your video and subscribe your channel. And you need to remember they have lot of work to do. They have short time in their hand. So you need to remember them by your video to subscribe your channel or like your video or comment your video. But do not use this word too many times. They feel like they are boring. Use this word in your video gap. You can use this word in your intro or outro. Don't use this word too many times. You can build your community and fuel your growth. So use CTA to gain a good result. Don't order them to subscribe your channel or like your video. Request them and understand the benefit. If they subscribe, what will benefit they get. They can weekly get new video and they can learn something new. That's how you can understand them to subscribe your channel. Do not talk about this issue too many times. Keep it short and sweet so they can relevant to your video. You can also animation to subscribe your channel. You can use image to subscribe your channel. If the viewers understand what benefit they will get from your channel, they will subscribe, like and comment your video. You need to remember them in your video. Don't be overconfident that viewers will subscribe your channel automatically or like your video automatically. They need a spark to remember those things. They need to spark to do action. So remember them in your video so they can take call to action. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.